How to download the GTA San Andreas on your desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to download the GTA, first and foremost make sure to update your Steam application and launch it. Once launched, log in using your credentials. Once it is open, go to the store section and then you will find the place to search. Tap on the search like icon and then type in GTA. This should give you a list of options that you can choose from. Select on the one you prefer and then tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see different versions and the releases that are currently available. But before that, you might have to verify your age in order to continue. Once this is done, tap on View Page and then check through the different versions available. There are also various kinds of offers available currently. So choose the one that you want to buy and then tap on Add to Cart. Now you can either continue shopping to another download or you could choose the option to view the cart. Then after choose the option continue to payment and then choose your payment method. After that continue and give in all the details of the card or the paper such as expiration date, card number and much more. And once this is done, you have successfully downloaded GTA from Steam. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.